Iran travel or we will see.
Ondan sonra